back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Josh and Flag going to come out.
I think that's the 23. No, it's the 7 machine. I ain't got a number for the 7 machine. Green. Green. Oh, we got one on the inside. The old black Toccoa going 3 wide down into 1. They ain't afraid to go 3 wide in a hot minute. 4 wide down the back straightaway. The 13 had come from the tail of the field and the 87. 87 and Josh Cody. Man with 2 first names. Getting it done. Josh Cody in the 87 from the tail of the field. He started dead last in that 87 machine. Him and that 13 rocking and rolling right now. Dustin Bohannon don't look. Boo! The 7 try to get on out of here and go to Walmart, pick his groceries up. Boom! Contact between 2 on 2 on the front straightaway. Oh, the 87 on the inside. Good caution. They hooked together on the back straightaway. Going back green on the 13, Mr. Bohannon. Green, green, green. He'll drag Josh with him in that 187. 87X. They'll bang the outside down in turn 1. Everybody looks good. Down into turn 3 and 4 down the back straightaway. Boom. Contact between the 7 and the old grocery getter 7. Top 3 still the same down the back straightaway. Coming half sticks in. 5 to go. 5 laps in, 5 to go. Boom! 87 about went on up out of here in turn 1 and 2. He got loose and jumped the wall. No harm, no foul. Still Bohannon leading the way. 87, I thought, went on up out of this deal. He started on a shotgun on the field. Still Bohannon leading the way in that black 13 machine. Looks like a Cavalier Express. Hard to see that black car in that sunlight. Trouble for the 2nd place man. Here comes the 27, your 3rd place car. Logan White in the 27 might have found him something. Logan White in the 27. He'll bang the boards down into turn 1 and 2. He's got something for Josh on the outside. If he don't run into the wall and run on out of here. Here he comes on the back straightaway. White on the inside. White flag being displayed that time. Your J&C Auto Care white flag that time. Bye. Down the back straightaway one last time. Mr. Bohannon. Wesley English front wheel drive memorial will go to Mr. Bohannon. 2nd is going to go to Josh. And 3rd is going to go to Mr. White in that 27 toting the left rear tire. He'll go to Victor Lane.
Big Wood, this is going to be mighty cold on Dustin Bohannon.
Rolling, baby, rolling.
Hey, first win right here. Dustin Bohannon there getting him a win. Lord have mercy. And I'm sure he probably knows that he's getting a surprise.
Well, I really don't count this as a win since it's being in the B main. I wanted to be in that first one so bad. But I have to thank Austin, my wife, his fiance, and everybody that supports me. Jamie over there giving me hand signals. Austin giving me hand signals. And everybody that helps, really. Thank y'all.
All right, y'all wait a minute. Let's get him interviewed. Just hold on. Let's get his picture took.
Bohannon, your B-main bandit, you.